Yes, sir, boss up, baby. We got a different type of ride along video today. Yes, my weekend Uber and Lyft XL comfort ride along with me, riding along while I do some Uber pickups, some Uber XL in the SUV. First thing first, make sure we got the right vehicle. All right, we got the Pathfinder in use. We got the Audi as an option as well. So let's get it in. And also, I got to get the oil change on my cargo van. So you're going to come along, ride along with me as I get the oil change. And we're going to check out the Ford lot and see what type of cargo vans they got on there, man. See if we can find some good cargo van deals for you guys in Atlanta and elsewhere across the country, because you can buy a car anywhere. All right, let's go. Boss up. All right, we got to pick up. Going to the airport. Gotta pick up 7 miles away and headed to the airport. All right, no problem. We have made it. Yes, we did. And I hope I get you when you come back. All right, so you see, we got the first one down. Now let's see how much we got paid for that one. Now she picked the wrong concourse, had to drop off an international. Hope that don't make a difference. All right, so we actually like 7 miles from the drop-off location, but she picked the wrong concourse. And yeah, she was cool. Let's see how much they give me. If it was really worth it. I was about 25 minutes for 15 bucks. And hopefully we get a tip. Oh, yes we did, 22. Yep, she tipped the extra $7. No, $8. Let's go, $22, 22 minutes. We off to a good day. And let's see if we get another ride that jumps up on here real quick. And I put my seatbelt on. And all right, on to the next one. All right, man, we just dropped the next person off. About to head to the, pick up my van, get this oil change. Running late for my appointment, but we got to get the money first. The lady was cool. Let me show y'all this later real quick. Later right there, just left 12-hour shift at the hospital. Let's see how much. And let's see. Oh, we trying to get another ride. No, we not doing no more rides. See, that's a $5 ride. It's only 4 minutes away, so I usually would get that, especially only going kind of toward where we going. But okay, so we was at 22, so that was about an $8 ride. Hope she tipped me. I don't know. Hopefully we get a tip. It's all good. Let's go offline. I'm gonna update the app. I'm gonna do that. All right, so headed to pick up the van, man. Let's take y'all on the tour to get a oil change for a van at the Ford dealership. Let's go. All right, so we got the van picked up outside of my co-working space. And last person we rented it left this mug filthy, man. I think he do like some lawn care service stuff. See the oil change required. But yeah, man, he left my junk like ridiculous. Like he just blew the grass and all the stuff just in here on purpose, man, bro. Have to bar dude from renting again, man. That's disrespectful. Jesus Christ. All right, anyway, man, let's head on out. See what the guy got going on for me at the Ford dealership. SUV boy. Watch where you're walking that back down. Watch where you're walking that. Bring your ass on over. Can't see behind me. Let go, let go, let go. here. Let's see. Where do we go to get this oil changed on out? It's like this the coming out way. We coming in and coming out way. Oh no. Let's turn around. We coming in and coming out way. That's not a good look. We got to go to the lane where we go get the oil change. Lane for the oil change. Quick lane. Let's see how quick this lane's gonna be though. I don't know. I think I might just need to park this thing. Let them take it on in. Let them do what they need to do. I don't know. I don't even see nobody out here looking for you. Let's see what they talking about. All right, we was going the right way. Just come on in. Going the right way the whole time. Hop on out, drop this on off. All right, so we at the Ford dealership on the lot. Got a little complimentary coffee. Let's see what they got out here. Worth looking at, worth purchasing for courier work. Not just vans, not just box trucks. Any vehicle can be used for courier work and make lots of money. You know, I know people making more in a small SUV than people are making in box trucks and cargo vans on a day-to-day. So it's all about the contract you get, all about the work you put in. And I wish iPhone had a way to daggone swap the camera around. Very odd. There's no salesman out here. No one came up to me to approach me, see about buying any vehicles. Guess they know I ain't about to buy nothing out here today. These nice Broncos. I do a lot of research on vehicles and watch a lot of different YouTubers on YouTube about dealerships and selling cars, and just hearing the terrible things that Ford has been doing as far as marking up their vehicles, and you know, really leading them not to sell anything. That's why we're seeing so many of these pickup trucks, these Ford Broncos on the lot. Pretty much all their new cars are just sitting here. It's a real nice Ford truck. I like that package right there. That's fine. But no pricing, no tags on any of the vehicles. That's crazy. When you go to a dealership and do not see no pricing on any of the cars. Oh, this one got some pricing on it. All right, let me show you that. We got this one for bottom line price, $58,000. Base price $45,000. After you walk out the door, it's $53,000. Jesus Christ. Total MSRP $51,000. You know, it's F-150, 2023 Super Crew, 145 wheelbase. Awesome stuff around. I like that trimmer package though. But let's find the vans. Let's find the cargo vans, the vans, some smaller trucks, some a little bit more affordable. People starting off. Two more vehicles, test drive tags on them, but no stickers about price and details. I like that color on that Pacific, I like that deep gray. And it's a hybrid. This would be great for non-medical emergency transit as well as courier work. Let down all those seats, transport people, even do Uber XL, get to some money. We got the big trucks, the 6.2 liter AT4. This is a GMC though, this is not even a Ford. Still like some cars that got traded in on the lot. All these nice shiny Ford F-150s. F-150s. If you want to haul some stuff, go ahead and jump on some of these. Hot shot over the road. Hook a trailer up. Get on Shipley, get on U-Ship. Find some loads. Make some money, do some junk hauling. Do some furniture moving. That big 4Runner Power Stroke. Wish you can swap the camera around mid, like, you know, recording the video. We had to stop the daggone video all the time. But here is a Ford Transit Connect, small one. Looks like the 150. Let's see if I know my Transits. Now this is the Connect wagon. 75,000 miles. Automatic, small engine, 2.0 liter. No warranty left on it because of the mileage. It's 2019 and no pricing on here. So that means they trying to make up their own pricing. Sometimes you can match pricing, but with these cargo vans and vans, they try to get what they can get off them. So we'll go back and look at the pricing on some of this model here. We got the 350s, the regular gas transmission, regular gas, no electronic. But here the one, you can see one that got the stuff all in there already. Got the gate, got the stuff built in, ready to roll. Got that super high roof. Stand up in that thing. I'm 6 feet. I got plenty of headroom. And these, there's that stick shift, gear shift I was telling you about. But the sticker on this is 250 high roof is 48. I paid 42 for mine. 158 wheelbase. That's all right. Got the stuff already at the top for you, ready to roll, man. Some more F-150s. So they don't really have a lot of the regular ones. I thought they were gonna have more. All right, so we leaving. Right along continues. Got the oil change. Came up to 120 for the full synthetic. I could have got it a lot cheaper, but I don't want this full synthetic. It said keeps the vehicle on the road longer between oil changes, so that's what we did. Also did a live video while I was here, my Saturday morning lives. Trying to stay consistent with that. So if you haven't checked out any of the Boss Up with K Saturday live videos, go ahead and set your notifications every Saturday morning, 10:30. We go live, talk about anything you want to talk about, mostly around courier work, but this is a Boss Up's channel, side hustles, passive income, active income type channel. We talk about more than just driving, but driving and gig apps are the primary source of income and what we talk about. And I did a poll on there. I'm going to do another poll kind of in the community feature. Damn, my thing's still dirty as hell. I couldn't wash my van. Said the van was too big to go through the car wash thing. But I did a poll on the live where I asked if people were interested in drop shipping. Drop shipping is, you know, when you sell one thing from another website, you really don't touch the merchandise. You really don't print anything or do anything. You just upload it, pictures to a website, and go to another website, purchase it, and ship it to the customer. That's pretty much the basis of drop shipping. And this t-shirt design right here is a t-shirt design I created, and I drop ship to other people. I have a couple of HBCU designs attached to this that I sell on Etsy, and it goes straight to the design, send us your design and the color of the t-shirt I want and type of t-shirt I want to print it on. Send that to the print company. The print company prints it up. I give them the address and they ship it, and I pay for everything, and then I mark up the price on Etsy and keep the profit. Usually makes about $10 per t-shirt. So that's drop shipping in a nutshell. I'm going to do a long form video on that. I'm going to see what type of feedback you guys are interested in drop shipping. So drop a comment below if you are interested in me doing some drop shipping or whatnot. And yeah, we're about to head to my co-working our virtual address space, ECO Suites. We got some people picking up mail, and I need to get this van cleaned out, man. Damn, man, this mud got my van so dirty. And I possibly need to find a car wash, really, to wash the outside of that. I wish I could do some Uber. I wish I need to turn on a roadie after something. See if I can catch me some little load on here, but I'm about to go back, clean this up, and list it back on the rental website. And also got the recall that I had on here I had to get taken care of, so I can relist it back on Turo now that I got the recall taken care of. So we moving throughout the day, man. Boss up, baby. Left my van a mess. We out here in front of ECO Suites, my co-working space, my office space, where I run my courier business out of. But they left my van, my pole van. They left it a mess. People tearing it up. We really need to get me some plywood down here on this floor ASAP. Something down here. And also need to get some wheel covers. I got a dent right there on the wheel well. Seen on my boy Cars and Cribs 3DK channel. He bought the wheel well covers for his van. Need to get them joints ASAP, man. But yeah, we cleaning up, man. Appreciate y'all riding along with me for this day, this Saturday. Started at 7 a.m. It's about 11:30 now. Made a little money. Spent a little money. Now we cleaning the van up. Get ready to make some more money, baby. But let me know. Y'all want some more information about drop shipping? Y'all want me to do another video about co-working spaces and owning a virtual address space, ECO Suites, Let me know, comment below. If you like these ride-along videos or y'all just want the sauce on how to get paid, let me know how we run this channel, man. It's for you. It's channel for us. Boss up, baby. You did it.